A is for anaconda, apricot, avocado, airplane, alarm. B is for baboon, battery, bicycle, butterfly, bison. C is for chameleon, crab, coconut, camel, cheetah. D is for dingo, dates, dolphin, durian, deer. E is for elk, echidna, eggplant, eagle, eel. F is for fox, feijoa, falcon, flounder, frog. G is for gorilla, guava, gecko, guitar, gazelle. H is for hyena, helmet, hamster, honeydew, hedgehog. I is for impala, ibis, inchworm, iguana, ice cream. J is for jackal, jackfruit, jacket, jaguar, jellyfish. K is for kudu, kiwi, kumquat, kiwano, koala. L is for lynx, lizard, lemon, lychee, leopard. M is for meerkat, melon, mandarin, moose, mango. N is for narwhal, nectarine, nutria, noni, newt. O is for ocelot, opossum, orange, olive, owl. P is for porcupine, peach, penguin, puma, pizza. Q is for Q, quilt, quill, quokka, queen. R is for robot, radio, rabbit, raccoon, rambutan. S is for sloth, speaker, soap, sheep, seal. T is for taper, turtle, turkey, television, thermometer. U is for Uriel, uniform, USB, urchin, uakari. V is for vicuna, vacuum, vase, vehicle, violin. W is for wasp, watermelon, warehouse, wheel, warthog. X is for Xeris, Xenops, X-ray, xylophone, Ximenia. Y is for yellowfin tuna, yo-yo, yoga mat, yabby, yak. Z is for zipper, zebra, zucchini, zebu, zoo.
Thank you for watching and see next video.